In a peaceful valley surrounded by mountains, 3 friends lived in a small village: Tariq, Lina, and Bo. Tariq was clever, always solving puzzles and fixing broken things. Lina was kind, she could calm a crying baby or an angry elder with just her voice. Bo was strong, able to lift what others couldn't, and brave in any danger. They did everything together: built tree houses, helped elders, and explored caves. The whole village admired their bond. One day, a violent storm came. It flooded the river and destroyed the only bridge connecting the village to the market across the valley. Without it, the village would run out of food and supplies in just days. The villagers panicked. "We'll fix it," Tariq said. Together, the 3 friends went to the broken bridge the next morning. Tariq inspected the damage, Lina encouraged the frightened villagers nearby, and Bo carried logs and stones. But the storm had left more than destruction. It had also planted doubt. "This is taking too long," Bo grumbled. "We should just build a new bridge somewhere else." "No, that would take weeks," Tariq said. "We need to be smart, not just strong." Bo frowned. "Easy for you to say. You just talk and draw plans." Lina stepped in. "Stop. We need each other. We always have." But frustration grew. Bo walked away. Tariq sat down, angry. The villagers lost hope. That night, Lina visited each friend separately. To Bo, she said, "Without your strength, the bridge stays broken." To Tariq, she said, "Without your mind, we don't even know where to start." To both, she whispered, "But without each other, none of it works." The next morning, Bo returned. Tariq was already there, waiting. They didn't say much. They just worked. Together. In 3 days, the bridge stood tall again. The village cheered, supplies came, and the storm faded not just in the sky, but in their hearts too. Moral of the story: true strength lies not in being the smartest or the strongest, but in staying united, especially when it's hardest.